Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear windshield on this Polaris RZR Turbo S. So let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take our windshield, lay it up on our machine, make sure it fits. We've already done this, so we're going to go ahead and proceed by removing our protective film. In your kit, you're gonna see you got two different kinds of seals. You got a straight, which that'll go along the bottom portion or the lower portion of the windshield. And then you have your 90-degree bulb. So this bulb is gonna go from here all the way around to the other side. And this lip right here is gonna be the one that's facing towards the cage. So we're gonna make sure that we install this bulb seal just like this. So we'll just go ahead and get our bulb, make sure it's facing away from this bend right here. That way it lays up against the cage of the machine. And we'll just start getting it installed all the way around. And once we get it to this point right here, we'll cut off our excess. Then we'll just want to make sure that all of our bulb seal is all the way fully seated. And just kind of take your hand, just tap it. Then for the next step, we're going to install our straight seal all the way across the lower portion of the windshield here. And just go through, make sure your seal's all the way fully seated, and then we'll come right here and we'll cut off the excess. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our seals for our harnesses here and get them all slid into place. And then we're going to head on over to the machine. So next we're going to take our flat seal and we're going to apply it all the way across the harness bar. Started right here, run it all the way across. Then once you get it ran all the way across, what you'll do is just cut off your excess. Make sure all that's good and stuck on there. So as you can see, we already have our seats out of our machine. And also, what I did was I disconnected the factory harness here. All we did was take it loose from right here. We just pulled this section through our harness. You can unbolt them from the frame. If you don't want to do that, you can absolutely just undo it from right here. And you'll just flip your harness straps back up out of the way. And then the seats, you know, they just remove just as easy as pulling the tab on the back of them, getting them out of the way. And now we're ready to get our windshield installed. Get it slid up into position here. It'll be a pretty good and snug fit up against the cage of the machine. And I went ahead and I got one of my clamps ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is take it like this, run my strap through the hole in the windshield and then feed the strap through my clamp. This just makes it a lot easier to get it all through there. So once we have our strap kind of started through the clamp, just kind of get it pressed into place, get that side clamped, and we'll go over to the opposite side and do the top, and then we'll do both the bottoms and get our harnesses fed through. We'll get our clamp, rotate it around, get our strap slid through, pull back, and get our windshield fitting super tight. And we'll just go ahead and we'll do the same step down here on our lower clamp. Let's go ahead and get it pulled tight. We'll go over here to the opposite side, do the same thing. Just like that. Then we'll go ahead and grab our harnesses. And they will just slide right through. We'll do that for both of our harnesses on both sides. Just like that. Then we can go ahead and hook our harnesses back up. What we'll do is we'll slide them through, and we'll slide our latch up as far as it'll go. Hold it there. Get the harness. Get it slid back in. Just want to get your harness back through, and then you'll repeat these same steps for the rest of your harnesses. Then you'll just reinstall your seats. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear windshield on this Polaris RZR Turbo S. For more information on this windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.